Hey, this is Martin, and in this video we're going to show you how you can generate quality meta ads copy with the help of Team-GPT. Right now I'm in a chat that I was already talking with the AI about generating some Google Ads copy, but I don't want to use all of that generation so I don't mess up the context for my meta ads. So a very handy thing I can do is forking the chat, which will create automatically a new chat up to this point without everything else below. So this is very handy, I use it all the time. For the meta ads, let's say I've created a very comprehensive and cool prompt with 3 variables, which are the objective, target audience, and ad formats. Let's say I want conversions for healthy individuals. This is for our dummy brand, Mindful Bites, and all formats. Now, I would also want to include a research that I recently did on meta ads best practices copy that I've already used somewhere in the workspace. From the context library, it's very easy to include files, web pages, images, or any type of context that you've used somewhere else. So I'll just easily add it and execute the prompt. Cool. Now we have 3 pretty cool variations for meta ads. Now let's say that I wanted to give me instructions for visual generations following the best practices. As we can see, the AI is generating me a lot of ideas with a lot of instructions that I can easily give to my team or to a designer and continue working on the campaign. And in the same chat, we can ask the AI to generate us images based on any variants that we want to try it out or maybe use it directly. You can always access all of your generated visuals in the gallery tab. There you go, that's the latest one I've generated. And that's it. Hopefully this playbook was super useful for you. Let me know what workflow I should show you next.